We got some show and tell here. We are attempting to replace this pier and that pier over there with permanent piers like this that are 8x8 blocks with a termite shield and a vapor barrier. And here, this last pier actually needed to be supported by 2x8s on each side so that we have enough bearing surface so that the jack doesn't continue to push down into the soil. It's not working. So we had to go and try something else. Now we have 4x4s sitting sandwiched between 2x8s in order to try and disperse this load.